So guys, kung naghahanap ka ng fresh, clean linen na type of a fragrance sa pang-araw-araw lang, you can try out Mykonos Slow Living. So slow living starts off na parang very bright, citrusy, lemony, pero hindi naman sharp to my nose. And also you do get that nice white, clean, floral na type of scent with a little bit of a sweet undertone with those white floral. And then nakukuha mo tong nice na para bang soft, airy, clean mask na parang second skin. It doesn't go powdery, but it also doesn't go parang sabon. It has this nice balance na para bang just a soft, airy, second skin type of a mask dito sa dry down with a soft woods behind that fragrance. So, sa akin mabango, super clean. Hindi surprising yung scent profile, but sa akin, it's so usable and oversprayable to every single day. Decent performance, I'm getting around 5 hours of longevity with this fragrance at around mga 1.5 to 2 hours of decent moderate projection. So this one sa akin, for something na ganun, I think I will rate it around at least 8 out of 10. Solid naman yung performance and moderate man lang yung projection, but I think this serves well as a great clean fragrance pang araw-araw lang. So check this one out guys, Mykonos Slow Living.